All right. Hi, everyone.
I think we're officially live.
You can kind of just feel the energy kind of radiate.
Yeah, this is going to be great.
Welcome to CovetCon 2021. It is an honor to be amongst all of you incredibly talented, powerful women who are at the forefront of fashion.
Please give a warm welcome to Altera co-founders Harmony and Shilpa.
Mark Badgley and James Mishka.
Hi, thanks for having us. James.
Hi, everyone. I'm Laurel DeWitt.
Judy Gao, Chen Burkett,
Stephanie Gottlieb.
Sai Sanko,
I'm Kendra Jade, president and co-founder of Leonette.
and Narcisse.
Have really exciting workshop ahead of us.
Covet and I launched an Instagram filter so you can wing it and wear your own wings any day you want on Instagram.
We heard that you have some sketches potentially.
She kind of, envisions what kind of color theme and comes to
Final
life.
product.
Yes, like this.
I'm super excited to share with you some new stuff that's going to be in the game.
And to style a piece live here with you today. I'm always amazed by how quickly our artists work. Like just seeing them work in Photoshop, I'm like, it would take me hours.
As you know, I play Covet every day. It's fun, and it's like an escape from the real world. I think it's really just helped me to even be more bold in my styling, and pairing things together, and realizing that everything really does go together, and just to do it fearlessly. It's a part of my day every day.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining, and thank you for learning from the masters.
Until next time, we hope to do this in person next year.